In 1955, when the double die came out, it caused a frenzy. People started looking at their pennies. Do I have a double die? Do you have a double die? What is a double die? It was a new moment, a new discovery, and it gave opportunities for people to feel as though they were involved in something that was developing and new. Here's the good news. So can you. There are new discoveries happening all the time with errors. You don't need 50 years of experience. You can just pick something that interests you, learn as much as you can about it, and then use that information when you see something that looks out of the ordinary, looks abnormal. It might just be a new discovery. This is a weird one. What is going on here? The more you know about the minting process, the more you're going to be able to identify an error coin when you see it and a not error coin when you see it. Whoa, what is happening? I mean, that's a ½ an inch deep. You know what makes collecting really fun? Sharing and connecting with other people. Because when you can share not just coins with people, but stories about how they were made, how you acquired them, what they signify to you, your collection is going to be deeper and more enriching both for you and the person you share it with.